My name is Jarrod Hahn. I'm the Wells County Surveyor. So my office is actually here in the courthouse. I took the Technical Writing W234 class with Dr. Elizabeth Keller. One of the assignments was to write a grant proposal. I chose to write about the clock tower at the Wells County Courthouse and ask for funding for replacement of the clock tower bell. Right now we've got about 20% of the money. 2,000 of the 10,000. I have briefly spoken to a couple other potential donors, and I anticipate within the next year that we'll have the money. I've often wondered why there were so many English classes in an engineering curriculum, but dealing with other surveyors, engineers, there's always presentations that you have to make to county commissioners or county councils. If you're in the government sector, if you're in the private sector, you're always pitching a project to a client. Being able to write and make proposals and make them flashy so that people remember you. Originally, my goal was to get only the classes necessary for licensing. Being up there and both on campus and online, I decided that it would be good for me to have my full engineering degree.